Okay, last thing, content quality. And this is actually the biggest and most important thing that I left for last. And it's the hardest thing to determine. But I think the example all of you can probably relate to, because I think most of us have searched for a recipe and run into this crazy long block of text that goes on forever, and you're just like, just give me the recipe, but I don't want to read about my grandma and her story of how she made these pancakes. Come on, just give me the ingredients. For goodness sakes. In the old world, 5 years ago even, you were rewarded for this because it was just a huge block of text. I mean, this is the reason why everybody was doing it, is just there's a lot of content, and content is good. And it wouldn't really evaluate the value of that content. It's just a lot of words or whatever. And this would help you rank. But now this specifically would be a negative, because it's not truly adding value. It's not truly good for solving the problem that the user has. What really helps me is just getting right to ingredients, directions, and like, oh, sure, video, I mean, not every time, but sometimes I'll watch this. This will be good. This is the key stuff, right? And having that right there in a good way, succinctly, this is being rewarded more than that. Does that make sense? But this is one example. Like, this specific thing may not apply to your particular area. And this is a hard thing to determine, because although the Google AI is sort of making this determination of content quality, how is it determining that? How can you determine the same thing? Okay, so that's where the search quality raters come in. So sort of the training of the AI is coming from this army of people all over the world called search quality raters that follow the specific set of guidelines that they give. And so humans are evaluating your site and training the machine learning algorithms that are used by Google to automatically determine it. So the key for you as a website owner to have high quality content is to understand the training that's given to these search quality raters. And so I have a link here that you could go to the main guideline. What I have linked here is the huge PDF that is given to people who want to be search quality raters. And I would highly recommend you read through all of that, all the different little nuanced details and whatever else. But also, you can try to become a search quality rater. And that's like a little hack that I'll throw out there, like at the end here, that if you are really interested in this and you really want your own site, or maybe you are an SEO, like you're someone who wants to be an SEO that does this for other companies or whatever, there's some value to like trying to become a search quality rater yourself and like actually understand at a deep level what's happening there.